You are going to love the 2017 Silverado 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 4.3-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: trailer brake controller, remote keyless entry, fog lamps, rear-wheel drive. Inside you'll find steering wheel, audio controls, cruise control, power outlet. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.